Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add type writing animations to your captions in a video on CapCut PC. So after you import the clip, you just need to generate the captions first. So go to text and just use the auto caption, click on create and wait for CapCut to generate the captions of the clips. Okay, so now the caption has been created. And if you want to add the type writing animations, just click on the animations tab at the top right corner, click on the captions, and find this typing animation. Click on that to apply it
for me,
to the caption, and that's it. So now your
since I've had my
captions will look
daughter
like
and since she
this.
was born, the
Okay, so
main thing
that's all
in
from me.
my
Thank you so
mind
much
is
for watching.
trying to
Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.